Assalamualaikum friends. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So today various stone pots are one of the most natural and timeless way to decorate your home and garden with just a few simple ideas. You can turn ordinary pots into a beautiful eye-catching piece. Today let's explore some creative stone pots crafts ideas that are easy, friendly and perfect for beginners. The first idea is a pebble covered flowers pot. Take a clear plastic pot and glue small smooth stones all around it. You can create a pattern like strip, circle or swan it try. The pot look rustic. Weavers. And in nature, perfect for indoor plants or outdoor garden. Another idea is to support choose colorful stones and arrange them in a design like flower or heart or geometric shapes. Add crouch in between the stone and the pot will look like a work of art for a modern style. Weavers. And black and white stone design use only dark river stones and white pebbles to create a classical minimal looks. This design work beautiful for office desks or living room. You can also make paint stone pots, glue stones on the pot, then paint them in bright color like blue, red or golden. This gives a cheerful and artistic touch to your decor. Another great idea is mini stone plants. Take small jar or tiny cans, cover them with stone and use them for shell herbs. They make perfect table decoration. For outdoor use, creative large stone pot French. Using cement and big rocks, they are strong, long lasting and give a nature garden vibe.